It's a really interesting story how Cost Plus Drugs got started. I got a cold email from a Dr. Alish Ashmayansky. He was looking to start a compounding pharmacy in Denver that was looking to provide drugs that were in shortage and to reduce the pricing of drugs. So we thought, can we make it work where we price drugs a little bit above our cost? So we found costplusdrugs.com, and the rest is history. Really simply, our mission is to be the low-cost provider of any and all medications we're legally allowed to sell. We're able to get better pricing because we work outside the current system. In the current system right now, there's these things called pharmacy benefit managers. And what pharmacy benefit managers do, they act as gatekeepers. They say to insurance companies, they say to large employers, look, we're going to try to go out and negotiate great prices for you because this is not what companies or insurance companies are designed to do. So we'll do it for you. And then they go to manufacturers and they do negotiate decent prices. But over the last 20 years, they've started to play some games. And what they'll do is they'll say, manufacturer, brand drug manufacturer, give us a great price, but rather than passing it on to the insurance company, what they'll do is they'll pass along part of it, but they'll keep part. And on top of that, they'll also ask for rebates back to them, rebates that are not passed on to patients. And so because of these things, the price of drugs to patients has gone up and up and up and up. We came in and said, we're not going to work within that system. We're going to go right to the manufacturers, and then we're going to take the price that they sell it to us for. We're going to mark it up 15%. Initially, we're mail order, so we'll add $3 for a handling fee and $5 for shipping, and that's it. And as a result, starting with generic drugs, and we have about 1,000 of them, our prices are sometimes 30, 50, 70, 90, 98% less than what you might otherwise pay just going directly to the pharmacy. These PBMs try to obfuscate everything because darkness is their friend. The more complex it is and the more things are hidden, the higher prices they can charge. And so a lot of our value just comes from doing the work, going to manufacturers and saying, look, we can sell volume. We're going to reach patients for you. Work with us. So let me explain what you see when you go to costplusdrugs.com and look for your medication. Go to costplusdrugs.com, put in the name of the medication you take, whatever it may be. And if we carry it, and hopefully we do, we'll have a page that shows up telling you about the medication, but you will see exactly what we pay for it. So if it cost us $10, you'll see that it cost us $10. And then we add 15%, that's our markup. So we'll add $1.50, so now it's $11.50. Then we charge a $3 pharmacy handling fee and $5 for shipping. That's it. And you get to see exactly what our cost is. That is so unique in the industry, it's insane. Nobody else has ever done this, ever. We just announced our first partnership with an insurance company, Capital Blue Cross, and we made a presentation to them and showed them that we can reduce their costs for their patients significantly. And they were like, you know what? We need to innovate. We're tired of the way the current system works. Let's get together. We want to be your first partner. And we hope it's the first of many insurance companies that we'll work with. We launched January 19th of 2022, and it's just been insane. Literally, we don't spend a nickel on marketing. All of our marketing is word of mouth, and we already have more than 1 million accounts set up. It's just insane. I mean, to think that there's more than 1 million patients out there that are trusting us and are buying from us, it's just incredible. It's probably 3 times what we ever expected. Literally, when we did our planning, we expected to be at this size 3 years from now. So the word of mouth, the acceptance has been incredible, which tells you just how crazy the pharmaceutical industry is. I'm used to people walking up and saying hi to me on the street for Shark Tank or the Dallas Mavericks. Now people are walking up to me and just hugging me and telling me their stories about how, it might be from $80 to $14 a month. It might be from $1,500 to $45 a month. But the stories are just, again, it's heartbreaking and heartwarming at the same time. And it's so rewarding to be part of this that it's really turning into something special.